I gave AI $10 and asked it to make me $100. This is exactly what happened. Every step, every number. Last week, I did this experiment with $0. I made my first sale. This week, I wanted to see if a small budget changes everything. Day 1. I opened Claude AI and typed one question. What is the best way to turn $10 into $100 online using AI tools in 7 days? It gave me 5 ideas in 10 seconds. Idea 1, buy a domain name and flip it. Idea 2, run Facebook ads for a digital product. Idea 3, pay for 1 month of a tool and resell the service. Idea 4, boost one TikTok post about a digital product. Idea 5, buy a Canva template pack and resell it. I picked idea 4, boost a TikTok post. Here is why. My product was already on Gumroad. I just needed more eyes on it. $10 of TikTok ads could reach 10,000 people. If just 2 of them buy my $7 product, I break even. If 15 buy it, I hit $100. Day 2. I set up the TikTok ad. Target audience, people interested in AI, side hustle, and making money online. Budget, $10 total. $5 per day for 2 days. Ad, my best performing short so far. Day 3. First results came in. Ad reached 8,400 people. Link clicks, 47. Gumroad sales, 2. Money made so far, $14. Already in profit. Day 4. Second day of ads running. Reach 11,200 people total. New sales, 5 more. Total sales, 7. Total money, $49. Halfway to $100 and ads just finished. Day 5, no more ads, organic only. But something interesting happened. TikTok kept pushing my video for free because the ad gave it momentum. 3 more sales came in with 0 extra spend. Total, 10 sales, $70 made. Day 6. YouTube started picking up too. My short about the experiment got 400 views. 2 more sales from YouTube description link. Total, 12 sales. $84 made. Day 7, final day. Woke up to 3 more notifications. 3 more Gumroad sales overnight. Total, 15 sales. Total money made, $105. I turned $10 into $105 in 7 days using AI. That is a 950% return. Here is exactly what I used. Claude AI, free, wrote my product and scripts. Canva AI, free, designed my cover. Gumroad, free, sold my product. TikTok ads, $10, gave it the first push. Pictory AI, free trial, made all my videos. The most important thing I learned. The product does not have to be perfect. The system does not have to be complicated. You just need to start. Next week, I'm doing this with $50. Comment next if you want to see what happens. Subscribe. Every week is a new AI money experiment. Real numbers. No hype. Let's go.